Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about what is IC3, aka Indole 3 Carbinol, and what is it used for. So let's get started. So Indole 3 Carbinol is a supplement I've been talking about a lot, and it's something you're gonna be hearing about more and more in the coming months and years with its benefits for hormone health, specifically for women. Indole 3 Carbinol breaks down into DIM, which is diindole methane, in the acidic environment of the stomach. This is an all-natural dietary supplement. Indole 3 Carbinol is a phytochemical naturally derived from Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. And the amount of these items that you would need to eat would be on order of 8 to 10 pounds to get the therapeutic dosages of the actual agent Indole 3 Carbinol. So what is it used for? So the number one thing that it is used for is it's known to alleviate pain associated with PMS as well as PMDD. The next thing that it is commonly used for is it is used to ease the discomfort associated with fibrocystic breasts. And this is a very, very helpful ingredient that also helps to reduce menopausal symptoms. So we're talking hot flashes, we're talking fatigue, we're talking that waking up in the middle of the night. This is excellent for those menopausal symptoms. The next thing is it is excellent at assisting in naturally detoxifying the body of excess circulating estrogens through the liver. This is so crucial for naturally getting rid of hormonal belly because it's going to shift your fat distribution patterns away from storage in the belly, and it's going to allow your body to actually oxidize fat as a fuel source. It's also excellent at resolving sporadic breakouts as well as acne. Indole 3 Carbinol also provides hormonally driven cancer preventative properties specific to breast cancer, prostate cancer, uterine cancer, as well as ovarian cancer. Last but not least is it lessens chronic pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So Indole 3 Carbinol is an amazing supplement. I recommend getting at least 300 milligrams per day. Now, if you have really, really bad periods, if you are dealing with an extreme amount of bloating and hormonal belly, you can increase that dosage. I would encourage you guys to talk to me first before you start doing that, but this is excellent. It pairs wonderful with my hormone reset nutrition plan protocol, but you can find out more information about Indole 3 Carbinol on gaugelife.com. Any questions or concerns about it, please comment below, and thank you for watching.